The South China Sea is the most important tropical ecosystem in China, home to an amazing array of sea creatures. A female green sea turtle is on her way home. Green sea turtles don't produce offspring until they reach their 20s. It's one of nature's miracles. Through thousands of kilometers of open ocean, sea turtles are drawn to the beaches where they hatched. It's also one of nature's great mysteries. Nobody quite knows how it is that they precisely locate and guide themselves back to the beaches where they were born. This is the largest archipelago in the South China Sea, the Qilianyi Islands. It's one of the main breeding grounds for green sea turtles in Chinese waters. Late at night, female sea turtle climbs onto the beach. Timid and shy, sea turtles lay their eggs only on beaches where they won't be disturbed. As species, sea turtles stick to the breeding grounds they've chosen. They don't easily opt for alternative beaches to lay their eggs. The sea turtle struggles to push away the sand. A good birthing bed is composed of fine, easy-to-dig sand without too much gravel or hard material. Sea turtle eggs are the size of ping pong balls. In each breeding season, the females come ashore about 4 times and lay hundreds of eggs. Competition in nature is fierce. Every species is ultimately fighting the same battle to live long enough to breed and continue the species. It's a struggle they throw themselves into with all their might, one that results in some of the greatest spectacles on Earth.